there is something special about places like this, because I think years and perhaps centuries of people, voices and prayers and wishes and what have you, do kind of stay and touch these walls. The energy was so intimate and so genuine that, I think my choice of pieces became more personal, became more open. I felt safer with being able to say some things that were so much about me and who I am and where I come from and my worldview, which I would not necessarily share with everyone. And it just felt very at home. Yeah, let's begin with this piece, which is one of my own personal favorites of my own work. So it's called Damadam Mast Calendar. मेरी किसी बात पर यकीन हो ना हो ऐ सुनने वालों, but please believe me when I say the earth was birthed by the mother of July. Yes, I'm a Freudian frittata, born of the egg of July, बेधक, बेधड़क, बेपरवाह जिंदगी की जद्दोजहद से डील करना सिखाए सारे माहों की माँ की आंख जुलाए.
I think the spirit of the whole event kind of carried me. I had a good time. I really had a good time. Not just me, but the band. We had a lot of eye contact, and there was so much respect for the music. People were listening intently. So that's, it's like an ideal situation for this music, for any music. Especially this music, it was a good feeling.
I think what it's done for me and my family is that it's given us a very rich and a very unique experience. Firstly, it's rare to have such a wholesome experience. Like-minded people, beautiful, spiritual space, and the fact that we can be witness to art so intimately over 24 hours.
So the way that this place has influenced the songs I played today is, you have to feel out the acoustics of the place. And you know that when a place responds really well to a song, when it's dynamically soft, when you can create those moments. I can't create those on a stage when I'm playing Bollywood in front of like 7,000 people. They happen very rarely.
It is grandly beautiful, but at the same time not at all intimidating in terms of size. It's a perfect size for a lovely intimate performance where the audience is going to feel one with the performer. And that's the best selling point. There is not much ground between the audience and the performer. They're right up front, right in front of you, and you don't have to really struggle to connect with the artist over here in such a beautiful place.
Green skies, maybe
Yeah, that's the fun of it. For me to be able to emote, to sing my heart out and sing inward, that can happen here.
maybe I will wake up in the morning. Oh, for you.
We get involved and we enjoy ourselves, and definitely that pass on to the audience.
It was an amazing experience this morning, and especially to be here at this, beautiful, beautiful property, and to have such a lovely audience. वो बोलते हैं ना कि सही में जो सुनकार हैं, ना अच्छा सुना उन्होंने. I mean, really happy to be here.
The ultimate nature of our Indian classical music, intimacy,
They can see you, the movement and everything. And slowly, it's not meant for performing in stadiums or something. Because the classical music is a soft music. So intimacy, audience makes a difference. We can see their reaction and we can react to our music.
Just got a new performance space close to Bombay. We are always looking for spaces like this. So delighted that it has come up.
It's been a wonderful experience. I am from Lonavala. I am already working with arts and therapy and people bringing together, and Abbey fits very well into that entire structure.
Typically for a show like this, you would be sitting in a large audience, somewhere. So instead, this is in a more intimate setting where, like I was just looking at the stained glass and, the vibe going around, the light reflecting.
Right from Shania to Pushan to Kausar to Nikhil, all the performances just touched my heart so deeply. It was just so beautiful. And now watching Sanjay, oh my God, it's just been the most amazing day.